in these recent years, there have been many terrifying reports provide strong evidence that world temperature are gradually rising day by day. Climate change means global warming of the air surrounding the earth as a result of heat being trapped by environment pollution. Greenhouse Greenhouse effect is the most likely cause of global warming. There are many causes of greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide gas produced by heaving of fossil fuels and forest and pollutants such as methane and CFC also cause green effects. The impacts of climate change are too many to describe. Its effect is devastating, destructive and dangerous to our existence of Bangladesh. Her people, her animal and birds and plants and leaves. Global climate change affects our agriculture, ecosystem, forest, sea level, heat, economics and also the livelihood of our people. Change in temperature may lead to change in the length of growing season or the rate of photosynthesis by plants. Such changes could lead to decrease in crop yield. Impact of climate change including erratic rainfall, salinity, insurrection, rise of flood, cyclone, storm surges and drought, ice sheets melting, which will affect the agriculture and livelihood, especially the poor section of society in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, climate change will have significant impact on global temperatures such as the increase in temperature, change in weather pattern, rise of sea level. Rising temperature could affect flood coastal areas and farmland. The lower southern part of our country may go under the water because of rising sea levels. As the sea levels invades the mouths of rivers, flooding from runoff will also increase upstream. The rich countries will spend huge amounts of money to protect their shorelines, while the poor countries like Bangladesh may simply evacuate low-lying coastal regions. Increase in temperature and decrease in populations result in increased pressure from the common people on the groundwater supply. We need water for personal use, industrial use and agriculture. A hotter atmosphere also create more storms, cyclone and more weather events due to the increased amount of every present in the systems. Bangladesh as a third world country may become the victim of these circumstances. Animals, birds, forests in Bangladesh will find it difficult to escape from or adjust to the result of warming because humans occupy so much land. Under climate change and global warming, some birds and animals will tend to migrate towards the poles and up mountains toward higher elevation. Some types of forests like Sundarbans may be disappear in warmer world. The scientists disclose that more people get sick and or die from heat stress. The topical decrease and the emphasis rising incidence or allegations and other respiratory diseases are as warmer air grows more change with population. Bangladesh still is a member of least development countries LDC as its economy is gradually its economy is gradually increasing. Our ultimate challenge is to feed the increased number of population. We see that the livelihood of our southern parts of Bangladesh are going to fall in danger. The tidal waves often submerge the cultural land and so their inhabitants. This loss impacts on our economy, although submerge the agricultural lands and their habits. This loss impacts on our economy, although Bangladesh is not responsible for so much climate change. Many people become refugees and settle themselves in the urban area. As a result, the cities are experiencing the burden with the overpopulation. Necessary steps should be taken to save Bangladesh and her people from climate change. People should be encouraged to plant trees. More insects of cutting down trees indiscriminately. It is the responsibility of human being to prevent the environment from split, to make our life healthy, comfortable, and danger free. We should keep the environment clean and safe from all kinds of healthy, comfortable, and all kinds of population. Mills, factories, and brick fields should be set up in a planned way. Vehicles should be brought under control so that they might not produce deafening sound and emit black smoke. For our survival, we have to add a strong voice to international advocacy for emission and control of greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases cause global warming by damaging the oxygen layer. What happens to Bangladesh today will happen to the rest of the world tomorrow. In fact, impacts of climate change in Bangladesh are disastrous, so measures should be taken to prevent this onslaught every year for a safe and prosperous economic income. Ours is modern science, age of modern science. Newspaper is a wonder of modern science. Newspaper is a paper which carries news and views from home and abroad to us. In the morning, we wait eagerly for a newspaper. We cannot have our breakfast without a newspaper of the day. We cannot go a single day without newspaper. It is the part and parcel in our day-to-day life. Newspaper was first published in England during the reign of Queen Elizabeth. The Indian Gazette, which is the first newspaper in Indo-Bangladesh, was published in 1774. The Samachar Darpan was the first Bengali newspaper. The Christian missionaries of Semperism published it. Now those days are gone by. Man has invented printing machine. Thousands of newspapers are being printed daily all over the world. There are many kinds of newspapers. They are dailies, weeklies, monthlies, and even quarterlies. The dailies contain news and views about daily affairs of the whole world. There are some other papers which are known as periodicals and magazines and novels. They contain literary articles. Some of other products which are thereby many English and Bengali dailies in our country. There are Ittefaq, the Bangarbani, Inqalab, the Observes, the Bangladeshi Time, etc. Global distance have been removed. The global world has become smaller. One of the part the world has been linked up with the another through newspaper. Newspaper is a great use to us it serves the purpose of people of different section. We get all sorts of information in the newspaper. We know through them what is going on and whole world around us. They gives us news about politics, economics, cultural, literature, game and sports of the whole world. Newspaper are very useful to us. Without newspaper we cannot even think of our own life. Bangladesh is a low-lying country in the South Asia and on Bay of Bengal. It came into being 1971 following a bloody war. Its total area is 1,047,570 square kilometers. The Bay of Bengal is to the south of the country. The other three sides are surrounded by Indian exports for small strip in the southeast by Myanmar. Most of the lands are land with some hilly areas in the northeast and southeast of the country. The country is crisis and crossed by so many rivers and canals. The Padma and the Meghna and the Jamuna are the main big rivers of the country. The country has a typical monsoon climate. The country has 6 seasons. There are winter, spring, summer, rainy, autumn and late autumn. The population of Bangladesh is about 150 million. Majority of them are Muslim and the rest are Buddhist, Christian and Hindus. Over 98% of the people speak Bengali. English is also widely used. The national dress of men is pajama, Punjabi and sari is for women. But the educated people put on pants and shirts. The educated women on salwar kameez. The economic of the country depends on agriculture: jute, rice, tea, sugar cane, oil seeds, fruits, vegetables, spices, wheat, potato, tobacco and cotton are crops of the country. About 80% people live in village. Agriculture is the main occupation of them. Chittagong and Mongla are two main seaports in our country. Coxbazar is a place of scenic beauty. Is the longest sea beach on the country. The country has World Heritage sites such as the Sundarban, the Sat Gambuz Mosque of Bagerhat, etc. After all, the people of Bangladesh are very much loving. I am proud of my country. Patriotism. Patriotism is a noble virtue. Noble patriotism means love of one country. A person who lives her or his country more than anything is called patriot. Patriotism inspires a man to do everything just and fair for being and betterment of the world, betterment of the country. It is the quality and implies a man to sacrifice their own interest, comfort, pleasure, and even his life for the sake of country. The word patriotism invokes a host of qualities or virtues. It includes honesty, responsibility, commitment, and dedication for the country and countrymen. Patriotic zeal makes a man beautiful, and energetic and enthusiastic. A patriotic man abides by the law of the country, pay tax, works for the development of the country, thinks only doing good for the country. He never does anything that against the interest of the country. He never involves him with criminal anti-state activities. He also upholds the dignity and status of the country. He respects the country and countrymen. A true patriot is ever vigilant to protect countrymen's freedom, sovereignty, and integrity. And if need be, a patriot sacrifice his life for country. We have glorious example of patriotism. 1971, it is inspired them to sacrifice their life to achieve freedom for foreign rules. Patriotism makes one a noble and respected man. A patriot is loved by all. He may not leave wealth or power, but he commands respect. He commands respect from everyone in society.